How does cooperation with BKF Car Wash begin? I have a few important things to tell you before we move forward. First of all, thank you for your interest in BKF products. Before we schedule a call or prepare a detailed offer, we'd like to share a few key points so you can better understand how we work and what to expect. Our approach, not just selling, but long-term partnership. At BKF, we've been manufacturer of modern self-service car washes for years and delivering them to customers in over 20 countries. But our goal is not just to sell equipment. We're looking for partners with whom we can build more and develop a business together. Create a sales network, offer service, or even local distribution. This is exactly how our dealers operate. Of course, everything often starts with one investment, an idea to build your own car wash. And that's totally fine, but even at this stage, it's good to look at the project from a wider perspective. You send us a request. What happened next? If you send us a product inquiry, you've already made the first step. So what do we do next? We send you our product catalog so you can see what options are available and get a better idea of our solutions. We ask a few simple questions to help us prepare an offer that fits your needs. For example, do you already have a plot of land for the car wash? Can you do some construction work for yourself, like groundwork or steel construction? Do you have any experience running a similar business, like servicing machines? These are not just formalities. Your answer will help us understand the real costs, timeline, and how much support you may need. When is the best way to start conversation? The best moment for a phone call, meeting, or video chat, for example WhatsApp, is after you look through our catalog and have a general idea of what you need. During the conversation, we will talk about the technical details. We will advise you on the best way to start the project. We will explain how whole the process works: purchase, delivery, installation, and training. What should you know before starting? So, production time. After we start discussion with the offer and you agree with it, we are waiting for your deposit. And then we can start counting 3 months to release, to produce your car wash. Transport. You can organize it by yourself, or if you wish, we can support you in this case. Training are available in our facility, or if you want it, in your location. Support. We offer full help and our knowledge to start working on your car wash. You can start with one car wash, but don't stop there. If you just want to build one great car wash, we're here to support you. But if over time you see potential to grow, expand your network, sell machines, offer local services, we're ready for long-term cooperation. That's how the most of our current partners start.